what's up? I am going to show you guys how I made this mask. I first used some avocado and then I'm gonna use some avocado oil. I am going to put 1 little spoon of the Blue Magic Originals Indian Herbs pomade. There I am using coconut oil. I love coconut oil for everything basically. Some olive oil and some mayo. I forgot to show you guys that I also put some honey in and then I will mesh.
So yeah guys, I basically just took out my braid. I basically never sleep, or sometimes I do, but I try not to sleep with my hair down. I always put it in a braid, or if my hair is straightened, I try and do the, how it's called in English, turband. I don't know how it's called in English, but I will like show you right here a picture of what I mean. Like I do my hair in the wrap and then I sleep, or if my hair is wavy, I do it in two like pigtails and put it up and sleep. I just try not to sleep with my hair down, because basically you sleeping on your pillow and moving in the night is just gonna cause breakage. And yeah, I try to avoid that. I definitely need a trim, but it's just fine right now. I mean, normally I did my trims myself, but I noticed that my hair is very uneven, so I really need to go to a professional so they can cut it a little bit more even. If the case is that I need to chop like a whole chunk of hair to get it even, I'm not even gonna do that. I'm gonna be straight to you guys. I just want my ends to be trimmed so it can just grow thick from the roots to the ends. So I already showed you guys how I made this mask, and because it's very moisturizing, I'm not gonna put it in my roots just because my hair is very oily. And yeah, I try not to wash my hair more than twice a week. I just try to wash my hair once a week. I know that can be like very gross for some of you guys. I can understand that, but it's not good for you to wash your hair every single day. And I know a lot of you guys don't wash your hair, but you like to just wet your hair when you're in the shower. That's also not good for your hair. You need to let your hair breathe, soak in all the natural oils that your scalp is making for you. It all has a reason, and it helps breakage, moisturizing, and all that good stuff. I noticed that I forgot to put the honey in, so I put the honey and I also put the bowl in some hot water so all the oils can dissolve and mix together. So I did that, so it's basically very mushy right now, and it's just the perfect consistency to put in my hair. So yes, I basically changed my clothes to make it easier for myself. I part in the middle, and then that part I part again like this. You see this? So now I have 4 partings and they are much smaller, so it's easier for you to work. So I'm just gonna use my hands. Basically, if you get grossed out quick, I suggest you to use some gloves so you don't get your hands dirty, but I don't mind that. I'm just gonna grab the bowl like this, and I'm gonna grab my hair, and I'm just gonna put the hair in and just wiggle. Then you pick it up, you go like this. You are going to just like massage the mixture into your ends. Make sure every single piece has mask on it. You can see I again started from here down. I don't go too much towards my scalp. I just don't want the oils to be there. So now that I have everything saturated in the mask, guys, so now that we have everything saturated, guys, my hands are pretty much clean right now. I'm just gonna show you guys what I love to do, and this is a bonus tip. I really think this helps for the blood circulation in your scalp, so I really love to do this every time before I go wash my hair. I put some oils or some mask in my hair, and at the end I love to do this step. I just go upside down with my head and I massage my scalp. It feels really good, and I'm sure it helps, because if you think it's logical, it's very difficult for your body to pump blood in every single follicle of your scalp. Those are the little sacs where hair grows out of, I think. Don't quote me, I'm not a professional, I'm just telling you what I do to help my hair grow. So basically I go like this, and with my clean hands, because I don't want too much oil in my scalp, I go like this. So yeah, guys, basically this is it. I'm just gonna let it soak in for an hour. You don't have to do an hour, like an hour is very long, but you can do like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, because something is better than nothing, right? I will just come back in a few hours and show you guys the end result. So I just came out of the shower, or like 15 minutes ago, and I don't brush my hair when it's wet. I will then just with my hands part my hair in the middle again. I just go with my fingers through my hair just to feel if there's any knot. The next step, I just do this Schwarzkopf. I never know how to say this. This Schwarzkopf argan oil. I just use 1 drop. You see that? Just 1 drop for my ends.
Like the video.
So now that I put the argan oil in the ends of my hair, I just go in with a little bit of this shea butter. It's from the brand Cantu. It's conditioning creamy hair lotion. I go in with this. I use maybe this much, and this I'm just gonna part in 2 my hands, and I just gonna run my hands through my hair again. And with this I go more up and in front, because this is just gonna help tame my hair a little bit, because my hair is very frizzy. Because this time I want some waves in my hair, I'm gonna use this bathrobe string. I'm gonna use again my 2 clamps, and I'm just gonna use this. I saw they like part their hair in the middle, and I did this one time and I filmed it, but I didn't like the quality. Hopefully it will work out as I want it to work out right now. So anyways, you put this right here, top of your head in the middle. It depends how wavy you want your hair. So I'm gonna start with a piece like this, and I'm just gonna try and wrap this around this. And as you can see, I'm just holding this in place with my other hand, with my other arm. So I will just grab another piece and wrap it around again, and grab another piece. Make sure it's as flat as possible. Like this. For this side we are going to do the same. Just grab a piece of hair, depending on how loose or how curly you want your fronts to be. Wrap it around. I'm gonna just take the pieces I have here and I'm gonna just put them up. So this is it, guys. It should look like this. I will just keep my hair like this for today. I'm just gonna sleep with it. So yes, guys, I slept with my hair like this, and so today is the next day. Of course, I just showered, got ready, and we are gonna check the hair out. So let's see how the hair turned out. This is just a method to make sure you use as less heat in your hair as possible. I just love to try these kinds of hairstyles because I don't really like to put heat in my hair. So okay, it looks a little bit crazy like this, but I'm sure it's gonna look good because my hair feels really soft. And the only one weird is this little one. The curl is a little bit weird. I'm just gonna put 1 pump of my argan oil in my hair. It's not really necessary, but I'm gonna put my fingers through it, that's why. I think the next time I'm gonna just do bigger chunks of hair. I did them very small, and as you can see, of course, in the front I have like wavy hair from myself, so in the front you can see it's curly, and yeah, and I have to say it's much more curly than I wanted it to be. I mean, it looks good. It's not what I wanted because I wanted just like waves, like loose waves, and these are pretty much curls, but it's fine, you know. I don't think it goes with my outfit, but I love the results. I mean, I was thinking more of loose waves. These are more like curls, but it's a cute hairstyle. So yeah, I love it. What do you guys think? I mean, I normally don't have big hair like this, so this is pretty big for me. So I guess I need to just get used to it. I definitely like this. What do you guys think? So yes, guys. So this was it, guys. I definitely expected something else. This is very cute. I love it. What do you guys think? I love it.